Write each of the following decimals as fractions. You don't need to write the fraction in simplest terms. Explain your reasoning, and answers with no explanation receive no credit. So 0.378378,378, repeating forever. So I like to use this technique where I let the repeating decimal be called n. I just give it a name, okay? And then I'm going to look at some multiple of n, um, and I'm going to subtract the n from the multiple of n. And my goal is I want all of the decimals to go away. I want to be left with a number that's just an integer, no decimal parts. So if I moved this decimal point 3 places to the right, I'm going to end up with the same repeating decimal as the one I have now, right? I'm going to have 378.378,378,378. So I have the same repeating pattern. If I only moved this decimal point 1 place to the right, I wouldn't have the exact same repeating pattern. 2 places to the right, I wouldn't have the same repeating pattern. But if I move it 3 places to the right, my decimal, what happens after the decimal point is the same as my original n. So I'm going to move it 3 places to the right, and I do that by multiplying by 1,000. So I get 378.378,378,378 forever. And then I'm going to subtract 1,000n minus n. So I'm going to do this number minus this number, and the decimals go away. And I'm left with 378. And 1,000n minus n is 999n equals 378. And then a little algebra, divide by 999 on both sides. And we get n is 378 over 999.